In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xiaomi router to your computer using an Ethernet cable. This is a simple and reliable way to set up a stable internet connection. Locate the Ethernet ports on your router. They are usually labeled as LAN, can be found on the back of the device, and typically include 2 to 4 ports for connecting multiple devices. Next, connect one end of an Ethernet cable to the LAN port on your router. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to your computer's port, typically found on the side of laptops or at the back of desktop computers. Your computer should automatically detect the connection. If it's not working, check to see if your router is turned on and set up correctly. In the video description, you'll find a tutorial on how to optimize your Xiaomi router for improved performance, along with other useful guides. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.